President of India, in his capacity as visitor of Manipur University, suspends VC AP Pandey and the completion of inquiry. United Committee Manipur demands written assurance on protection of territorial integrity of Manipur. Loktak project, Mapithel and Ithai dams affected people warn unprecedented agitations against the government in the near future. Residents of Khongman Part 5 in Thongju constituency jointly repair Irom Leirak without any government assistance. And Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khem Chan, seeks the attention of the central government to promote bamboo cultivation in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Reshmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The President of India, in his capacity as a visitor of Manipur University, on consideration of material on record and taking into account volatile law and order situation in the university campus, and in exercise of the powers conferred under provisions of Statute 13 Clause 1 of the Statute of Manipur University Act 2005, read with Section 16 of the General Clause Act 1897, has put Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor A.P. Pandey, under suspension with immediate effect until completion of the inquiry and action to be taken thereon in the interest of the justice for free and fair inquiry, or until further orders. The announcement came in a statement issued by the Department of Higher Education, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, signed by Deputy Secretary of MHRD Surat Singh, dated September 17. The Manipur University community, Musu, Muta and Musa, has appreciated the suspension order of Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey issued by a statement from the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Speaking to media at Muta office today, Executive Member of Manipur University Teachers Association Assistant Professor Dr. N. Sanatomba opined that suspension of VC Pandey is almost 30% achievement of their demands. He asserted that Musu, Muta and Musa are no unlawful associations. The professor added that the Government of India has acknowledged that Professor Adya Prasad Pandey has disrupted the academic atmosphere of Manipur University.
Government of Manipur sumangai high rising as a party influence the Itildagi, Ulay Palay to Laki, Adubu, Kena was Kena, Manipur government initiative, Lowy Haidana, Siki, orders like Ubakangan, Manipur government was with Hagasay, inquiry of Dorigi say, name send me, Kari the Mata, legalized for Nanabuki the Mataduka, already Mase, penalty, Kambuya, Ore have said, Equity, agitators in my Kagi, Manipur Prazas in my Kagi, how you are Prologani. Highest level institution of the Asikuba way the Batavaka Yade, high Base, not only Manipur Katanatana, Barat Barshati Makam Kudimata, Barat Barshati Makam Kudimata Sunatana, Petrigi, University Kudimata, role model University Ama, Handaki, Matanga Sidaki, Manipur University,
Transit came near Hydramana Tongan and Sanjan Tongdamagi, quarter the Ladiba, Asigon Magi, Office, Tingila Havaki, or the Dumato Matunga, Magasi, Matamkra, Mahana Tonganba, Magi Labum, Amada Lejanaba, Manipur Gomena, the Atopotopa, Marilyn, Motor, Stinga,
People took out a mass rally and convened a public meeting with open display of NSCN-IM flag demanding to expedite finalization of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed between the Indian government and the NSCN-IM at Tamenglong District Headquarters today. Naga Tribe Hohos, Zimi Naga Council, Liangmai Naga Council, Rongmai Naga Council and Inpui Naga Union Tamenglong organized the events under the initiative of United Naga Council. The public meeting resolved to submit a memorandum to the Prime Minister regarding finalization of the framework agreement and to stand united until their demand is met. On the other hand, United Committee Manipur has demanded a written assurance stating that the territorial integrity of Manipur will not be affected at any cost. Speaking to media, UCM President Sunil Karam asserted that UCM will never accept disintegration of the state by favoring a particular community. Sunil Karam asserted that UCM has worked for the unity and integrity of the communities in the state and will continue to do so in the future. He also said United Committee Manipur is organizing a one-day public meeting on the 213th report of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs, Government of India at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound on September 20.
Hingminari ba koi phurup masen ge marakta singkup sana thugaiba divide and rule policy torokanda kuki ga naga ga maitei panga amot nung sinahandana bagi ekoi masen ge marakta ethnic line ama khaba dudi madu yaroi habane ba mano inda gi di hujishu dumai jine leba kairoi territory intri kairoi adu kari moji pangai haiba ngaktani adugi chapchaba leba kaheloi haibado adudi kari gi damukta praja miyam da ngaurga thamino written assurance pidi marum kari gi no Manipur ki territorial integrity su kaheloi aduga Manipur ki any akoi ki lengak ta bypass tauba natraga phurup amagi interest kaiba hiram amata tawro haibase Prime Minister de chingna Manipur ki lengak na assurance ka program yamda bibi bang amagati well and good adu ngasiu manungda hairiba mayam dudi majidi thaidok thaijin tawba ngaktani aikhoina thamjariba dugi warep ki against ki wangmoda tholokpuduna maram marakanda tangai badana 213 report on Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs Government of India haiba sigi matangda public discourse amaka khanajagani.
People affected by the Loktak project, Mapithel and Ithai dams are all set to launch various unprecedented form of agitations against the government in the near future. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener of Young Communist League, W. Kameshwar, intimated that Socialist Students Union Manipur, Proletariat of Feminist Movement, Socialist Women Association, Manipur Proletariat People Democratic Union and people affected by the Loktak project, Mapithel and Ithai dams have joined hands and formed Young Communist League. He said the joint committee will soon initiate various forms of agitations against the government, which will be announced on October 3rd after a public meeting.
Ithai dam da leiba praja sing jina ngasi haiba project sing asina solaba praja sing boina taliba demand sing ti amta phangdre karigumba ba phangdrabani na akhona simba committee ma form tawjaraga haiba jaga sing asida akhona chalaga moi bu help tawraga boina taliba demand sing si phangnabi dapna ngasi akhona committee si form tawjaraga.
Residents have jointly blacktopped Irom Lairak of Khongman Part 5 in Thongju constituency. Speaking to Impact News, locals said the road is not under PWD nor it is a connecting road to other localities and hence remains neglected by the government. The locals said they face various inconveniences due to the pathetic condition of the road, especially during the monsoon season. They said instead of merely waiting for government to repair the road, people in the area convened a meeting and resolved to repair the road as responsible citizens. Repair of the road started on August 1st without hiring any laborer, as one member each from the 75 households in the area extended their assistance. The households also contributed 1,000 rupees each for the repair. President of Khongman Irom Lairak Manung Committee, L. Dhanachandra, asserted there is no grudge against the government regarding the matter and urged those concerned not to politicize the same.
Policing is in Kanazaraga, Semtabani, Adi Matunda, Akwagi Lamense, Agaski Tang Amadegi Hosabani, Semba. Ado Amba pass Semding among the Denzihan Quale, Jesibina, and the labor Queen Wajaraga, Wagi, like I get Yumundanga, Sigi, labor, a Toga, the Togzabani, the Matai, the Pecala, the Luna, Amupekwe, Amupekto Matunda, Ganga Matunda, अमुक JCB ना अमुक खोले का अमुक माथा में लोला तक्सले अदु मतुंग बालू सिंगन जंग थाबने अदगी नुसिबिदना सी स्टेज यावरामिना ऑफिसर याम लेबनिना ऑफिसर जिंगे खाइनरगा अमुक अंगम पुथोनरगा सुमाइन तौबदगी सिगी स्टेज यावराजी.
Residents of Thangmaiban Tarung village staged a sit-in condemning order to demolish Lamphel Rongmai Baptist Church at Lamphel Baptist Church located inside RIMS complex. All Manipur Christian Organization and various civil-based organizations jointly organized the sit-in at the village public ground today. It may be recalled that SDO Imphal West issued the demolition order on September 4, giving a deadline till September 19. Speaking to media, AMCO President Reverend S. Prem Vaifai asserted that the church are sacred to the students and staff of the hospital. He strongly condemned the order to demolish the churches which have been in existence since a very long time. The Reverend said scandalizing the issue is not his desire and urged the government to revoke the order at the earliest.
Hojiki RIMS compounder leriba Lamphel Baptist Church in hariba Rongmai Baptist Church in hariba masi kadongai desu government gi mayokta kadongai desu wahi amatangang thok pamapom natte ekhogi government asina tangdu leitana phajana justice ta lebagasi leingak pangamna nabagi namakta parthna tawphamni aduga atopa mi na chalaga maduda ishor khurumba natte government gi commerciary RIMS ki da shuriba mioi sing nursing doctor sing adug even medical college ta tamliba ichai su sing na iso khurumba mafam ni aikho gi lamda masida peace leina na ba haiduna makon iso khurumba mafam masibu ngamme adun hekta sidok na ba torak posi asi pen de adun aikoina agitation ga toning de irang pam de adun aikoingi ngam jabo hon ba sida sumaina singak pasimakti government su yare badi tobi ganu ba hojiki RIMS
Manipur joined the world in observing the 10th World Bamboo Day today. World Bamboo Day Celebration Committee organized the event at Singjamai Community Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, expressed a desire for the central government to promote bamboo cultivation in Manipur, a state which is home to 60 different species of bamboos. He opined that the centre is not giving due emphasis on Manipur as the state has minimum number of MP seats. He expressed discontentment that even national medias have sidelined promotion of bamboo products of the state to the rest of the country. Khemchan assured that he will approach the centre and urged to give due consideration on the same. He also urged everyone to contribute in producing more bamboos and bamboo products for a sustained economy. The speaker launched an exhibition showcasing various bamboo products and also released souvenirs and t-shirts on the occasion. Mayor of Municipality Corporation L. Lokeshwar also attended the event.
Manipur ki achauba economy ama porakpa yaba sigi bamboo mission si Hawa yang tawiri masih maka sathabada koju matik bang mayawjage center ki asawa biang jangan janengi maramdi kari bukan center sisu masing yamba FP leba sagala wa le namba taragadi wa si bamboo si aya already sagi masing yamba ba sagi FP global leba dagi kari ini even national media ko si kara nathi na leba gumba si boi bagi bai yang tunangam da basi ko miya puna puna minaraga bamboo ki achauba mission do aseng mission boina ba puna ba isu mating bang mayawjage.
Imphal Jiribam Imphal Helicopter Service under Manipur Heli Service MHA will start operating from tomorrow. The fare ticket is priced at 3,000 rupees and the service will be available every day except for Sundays and public holidays. Tickets will be available at Manipur Heli Service Counter at Imphal International Airport, and for Jiribam the tickets will be available at Debong Bazaar Service Counter. Transport Commissioner Government of Manipur in a press release stated that further details may be availed by contacting mobile number 7896434426. The Excise Department, under the supervision of the Excise Commissioner, destroyed country liquor and Indian-made foreign liquor worth over 4 lakh rupees today. Speaking to media, Deputy Superintendent of Imphal West Prohibition, Chance Raikam, raised concerns over lack of adequate manpower and vehicles in a department which has hindered effective curbing of liquor in the state. A total of 2,064 Indian-made foreign liquor and beer bottles and 613 liters of country liquor were destroyed by setting ablaze. The illicit liquors were seized from a series of drives conducted jointly by the Departments of Excise, Police and Narcotics in different parts of the state since April this year. Raikam said the illicit liquors were seized during the drives with cooperation from various civil society organizations, NGOs and the public. The Deputy Superintendent also assured of continuing such drives in the future.
Prohibition si Manipur da hojik chathari banina makhatana civil society sing NGO sing public ki cooperation gi mapana makhatana khoina mastigi hena muk phaba amasung smaina destruction si hena ngamgani habse akhoi expectation ni maroina akhoina pangthokning ba akhoi power function si exercise towning labasu akhoi gi grievance khara lei haibudi vehicle gi problem manpower problem mayam si leiba maramna akhoi ningi ba akhoi expectation du yoba ngamde sarkar gi pamba target du akhoi yoba ngamdri adu oraba phawbada ngasi gi thugai khraba pha khraba pot si hoji hoji ki leiriba treng sina hona jabagi effort gi mahi ni aina masi phongthok ninge.
Sit-ins were staged today at Kaishamthong Ilangbam Laikai and Khoyatong Pukriya Choba Kamji Hall today, demanding justice against the brutal killings of Burumayum Juteshwar Sharma, Thangjam Satish, Thaunaujam Prem, R.K. Ranal and Pijam Naubi. Many elderly women folks of the locality took part in the sit-ins organized by the JAC against the custodial killings of G. Juteshwar, T.H. Satish, T.H. Prem, R.K. Ranal and P.H. Naubi. Protesters demanded justice from the government and authorities concerned to deliver the mortal remains of the victims to their respective families and to repeal AFSFA from Manipur. Members of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Youth Congress, Mahila Congress, including representatives of NSUI Manipur State, strongly condemned the mob lynchings as unlawful, unconstitutional and inhumane. The members took out the protest at Imphal Congress Bhavan today. Speaking to media, spokesperson of MPCC R.K. Anand stressed the need to curb the rise of mob lynching incidents across the country and appeal for public cooperation to abolish such atrocity without further delay.
Gyan men ita ta dana maram bikhang khang dana kaino ma tawre adu tawre ada tawre hairaga koi hekta mob saglaga khudaki oiba enmity ai tai mayam ma adagi hate speech na singba mayam tawga violence talk aga khudaki oine individual oi bia even a group of work bia target tawga khoi samai to bose koi manipur da dana ta india da yam marang kai da thokpa du me incident moire ana sigi practice manipur yam toiba ama khoi urakpagi wafam se khoi lei aduna khoi party ki mai gi maroina leiriba party ki khoi gi tuan ba khoi gi components leiri me am sing mai gi once and for all madu ba me am do tobidana so khoi gi mai gi yam strong appeal tawi.
Manipur Friendship Organization in a press release strongly condemned the mob lynching of Muhammad Farooq Khan by residents of Tharoijam in Lamsang constituency on September 13. The organization further urged authorities concerned to award capital punishment for those involved in the incident at the earliest. Inhabitants of Moray town joined the rest of the state in taking out a torch rally last night against Tharoijam mob lynching incident. Moray police organized a rally in and around Moray town, where thousands of people belonging to various communities took part at the rally. Session Judge Imphal West Maibang Manoj Kumar has convicted Khulem Jitain of killing his uncle Khulem Tomba on July 27 at Langol Punsilekai under IPC Section 302 Murder, under Section 307 IPC Attempt to Murder, and under 27 Arms Act. Sentence hearing for the announcement of the quantum of punishment against the convict is fixed on September 20. Khulem Jitain, 41 years, son of K.H. Kendrajit of Nauremthong Khulem Laikai, was produced before the Session Court in Imphal West by a team of under-trial prisoner escort from Sajiwa Central Jail. All Manipur Bar Association held an awareness drive to protect rights of advocates under the guidance of Bar Council of India at Chairap Court Complex this evening. The awareness program was held in connection with Supreme Court's judgment regarding Krishnakant Tamraka versus the state of Madhya Pradesh case. It may be recalled that in Supreme Court's ruling of March 28, 2018, titled Krishnakant Tamrakar versus the State of Madhya Pradesh, the division bench had restrained the Bar Association, Bar Councils to give a call or strike or boycott of the court in any event. The judgment was termed as a direct attack on the fundamental rights of the lawyers. Advocates in the event opined that they need to demand certain rights for themselves, including insurance, mediclaim, pension, stipend, mainly for junior lawyers, and other welfare measures.
State government journalists insurance scheme 10 crores journalists contribution Samaj Siga, lawyers community contribution Siga, Amanamaki, Heba, Tabagi, comparison to Najada. Journalists come to the people protection law. I don't mind that they will be the superior. Highly what the car said, there are even the people doing have a feelings there. Much of we Pungoki, we say Tarapungi Mama. Nasi Boba, State Sarkar now that we
General Secretary, North-East India Development Party, in a press release stated that the High Court of Manipur will hear the petition filed by S. Keber against MLA A.K. Mirabai on September 19 at the Supreme Court regarding misconducts in the results declaration of the last Manipur Legislative Assembly election. Proscribed outfit National Revolutionary Front Manipur has called for a statewide ban on September 21. The organization in a press release informed that the ban is called against the merger agreement of September 21, 1949, when Manipur ceded to the Indian domain. It is time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the beauty of Inle Lake of Shan State, Myanmar. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The Inle Lake, which is situated at Shan State of Myanmar, a neighboring country of Thailand and Laos, is one of the best tourist destinations of Myanmar. The lake, which is very much similar to Loktak Lake, is under the good care of the Myanmar authorities. Artificial structures built along the lake have added more aesthetic value to the natural beauty of the lake. Varieties of indigenous cuisines, handloom and handicraft products are made available for tourists in the stalls along the lake. Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchan, who was part of the DIPR conducted external press tour to Myanmar, brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Indian legacy 45 miles for Wadum Lake Makalam legacy Myanmar Poko Magulamana UNESCO na handakta haibitare magi cultural amadi ecological significance mayam asi yengla matungda mari mafam asi ecologically reserve haiba mafam mawala kokhamani aduga mafam asi ge ekoi bita sundari ba singchu lam koi ba tongan ba touristing lakwadagi homestay sing tongan something haba mai tongan ba पोट थोंबम क्या अमा सेमदना मफम असिदा अखोगी गलोनिटिगी थबकसु यामना कानादुना लेबाक असिगी अखोगी सिदुक लम्बी लाकदा दुमलबा फजबा यामना मफम सा मफम मसु ओरे इनले हारिबा मफम असिदा चंगको मतमदा अखोगी मी अमममदा अखोगी म्यांमार की पैसादा म्यांमार की क्याता 13,000 अखोगी इंडियन मनीदा रुपा 30 मुकी चांग 30 मुकी चांग असि लहवे दुगा लोरना हारिबा मफम मसु लेरिबा अखोगी पार्टी फजबा सिंग असि येंगनबगिदमक अखोगी ही चोंग मतमदा बो तोंग मतमदा तोंगा तोंगा पैसा मसु लौरि लोरना हारिबा अकोइबा हाइबदि पारासिगे अकोइबा अमदि केनियल सिंग पारासिगे समनरिबा केनियल सिंग मताइ मताइदा लेरिबा होम स्टे सिंग असिसु अखोगी टूरिस्ट सिंग लेरिबि खुदोंचाबा पिदना सिदोक लम्बि लेना हिंबा याबगी दुबा अचौं खुदोंचाबा मसोरि DIPR की डायरेक्टर ओरिबा एक्नम बालकृष्ण मसामग यामा तोंगान तोंगानबा अखोगी मणिपुर फुंगा पाउके सिंगी दुगुमलबा रिपोर्टर सिंग अमदि डिटेल सिंग यावना हायो फमसि तंगलि इमेले की फजबसि अदुकी मदि हेक जेंगबदा यामना फजबा फमदि ओरि हाइबदि लेगा सिगे कोइबदा अखोगी चिंग तोंगान बा चिंग कया अमसु लेरि अदुगा मफम मसि यामना फजबा मफम ओइबगी मथकता अखोगी थाइलैंड अमदि लाओस हाइबा कंट्री अनि सिगी बोर्डर लेबा हानसेट हारिबा स्टेट असि मनुंग लेबा अदुगुलो पाट मखलमनि पाट असि कोगी मणिपुर के यामना मानबा हाइबताइ मणिपुर की लोकताक लेका अदुगी मतिक मानबा याम लेइ कोगी लोकताक पासु हारिबा अफम मसिगुमना लम कोइबसिंग लाखनमगि करम कोगी तखत या थबकसिंग तखत याबगी दुम ममी ताबगे हाइबदु पोरसे तोमिनेजरिबा कोगी DIPR की डायरेक्टर कोगी हस्नाम बालकृष्णगा वही साबि तगा दोजगे इनले लेगनी से याम मानव लई मरम नाकल अनिमक्ति माइकई अनिमक सिंगना सिंथान परेंग क्वेश्चन दुना लेरी अदो लोइना खेना बाहायबो लोकता की ना हजि फाबुदा खोइना nga फाबगी ट्रेडिशन बोर्ड सिना बा लोइना मफम सिनदी साइगी लोकली साब इंजिन नतक तैना साब इंजिन सिना याम याम थौबंगमी मियाम न हौजे खोगी म्यांमार इनले की फजब क्या उरे मखोइन पीरीबा खुदोंचाबा जों क्या मा उरे मणिपुर लेंगांगना खोगी लोकताक पाट असि निंखिना सेमपिदना हाइबदि असिगुमलबा लेक हाइबदि इनले लेक असि दफाव लाटुना कई तौरि हाइबगी अदुगुमलबा थौरांग थौसल की यामा सिमबिदना मणिपुर की लोकताक लेकसु अदुगुमलबा यामना फजब फम मोइन सेमपिदना लेंगांगना सोइदनमकी थौदांग लौकने हाइबसि असिबा थाजबनि हौजिगदि परमजरिबा केजमयुम प्रेमसान इनले लेक Sam State, Myanmar. Indian legacy.
Now moving ahead, 16 beneficiaries of Yaskul constituency, Ward number 19, were provided free gas connections during the Go to Village mission camp held at Brahmapur Nahabam Laikai Community Hall today. Wheelchairs were also presented to 2 differently able persons at the camp. 28 government departments opened stalls during the camp and facilitated people in the area. Speaking to media, Ward member Thongam Gobin said the free gas connections under Ujjwala scheme were distributed to 16 families holding Antodaya Anna Yojana cards. A painting competition for students studying in class 2 to 4 was also held as part of the occasion. Twenty beneficiaries of Imphal Municipal Council Ward number 5 were provided CMHT health cards during a Go to Village mission camp held at Langol Ningthau Laikai Community Hall today. 30 government stalls were opened during the camp and catered to widows, physically challenged and Antodaya Anna Yojana card holders. MLA Lilong Al-Haj Abdul Nasir inaugurated MS Irecha Indian Gramin Vitrak under Indian Oil Corporation Limited at Lilong Jingkham Mamang today. The gas distributor will facilitate people of the constituency to a great extent as it is the first of its kind in Lilong. Free gas connections were distributed to altogether 59 individuals on the occasion. Directorate of Environment Employees Welfare Association in a press release condoled the untimely demise of former chairman of State-Level Expert Appraisal Committee of Environment Impact Assessment Manipur, Dr. Hanjabam Nandiram. BJP Langthabal Mandal organized a free medical camp at Langthabal Khaupum Community Hall today. The camp, exclusively organized for pregnant women and children, was held in connection with Kavya Anjali program in paying homage to late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Speaking on the occasion, State Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Laishram Tej Kumar, appreciated Chief Medical Officer, CMO Imphal West and BJP Mahila Morcha for successfully organizing the camp. IGAR South organized a pension adalat for ex-servicemen of Assam Rifles at IGAR South headquarters in Manchipukri today. Commander of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, Brigadier Amit Kaptial, SM, briefed on the plights facing ex-servicemen on the occasion. He also mentioned that out of 288 pending cases related to problems faced by ex-servicemen, 103 cases are nearing completion. He urged to the personnel to start pension-related procedures before retirement and not to wait start only after retirement. Many officers of Assam Rifles and 6 different banks participated in the pension adalat. '54 Battalion BSF under the aegis of Headquarter Manipur conducted skill training on mushroom cultivation and a free medical camp at Churachandpur and Thoubal districts. The 5-day mushroom cultivation was organized with an aim to generate employment opportunities, was launched by Commandant of 54 Battalion BSF SH Sunil Kumar Singh at Torbung Community Hall today. While in another function, organized by BSF Wives Welfare Association of 54 Battalion BSF, family members of BSF martyrs were felicitated. Hairok Company of 54 Battalion BSF, along with City Club Hairok Part 2, also conducted a free medical camp at the community hall of the club in Chingdompok. Around 100 individuals were checked up during the medical camp. A 3-day training program for farmers on the theme Market-Led Extension was launched at the training hall of KVK Thoubal today. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thoubal, in collaboration with Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, organized the program with an aim to facilitate the farmers in enhancing crops production. Deputy Director, Skill and Administration of National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, Jaipur, Dr. S.R. Singh, including eminent scientists, will attend the program as resource persons. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President of India in his capacity as visitor of Manipur University suspends VC AP Pandey until completion of inquiry. United Committee Manipur demands written assurance on protection of territorial integrity of Manipur. Loktak project Mapithel and Ithai dams affected people warn unprecedented agitations against the government in the near future. Residents of Khongman Part 5 in Thongju constituency jointly repair Irom Lairak without any government assistance. And Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khem Chand seeks attention of the central government to promote bamboo cultivation in Manipur.